In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up automatic invoicing in Xero, so your invoices are created and emailed to customers automatically every single week or month without you having to lift a finger. This is perfect for subscriptions, retainers, rental payments, or any recurring service you provide. Once this is set up properly, Xero will generate the invoice, approve it, and send it out on schedule. If this video helps you save time in your business, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Xero tutorials. Now, let's jump straight in. First, log into your Xero account. From your dashboard, go to the top menu and click on Business. In the drop-down menu, select Invoices. This will take you to your main Invoices screen, where you can see all your existing sales invoices. Now look for the New Invoice button on the right-hand side. Instead of clicking it directly, click the small drop-down arrow next to it. From the drop-down options, choose New Repeating Invoice. This is the feature that allows Xero to automatically create invoices on a schedule. You'll now see the Repeating Invoice Setup screen. This is where the important configuration happens. At the top, you'll need to set the schedule. Choose how often the invoice should repeat. For example, if you bill clients monthly, set it to repeat this transaction every 1 month. You can also choose weekly if needed. Next, set the invoice date. This should be the first day you want the invoice to be created and sent. For example, if you want invoices to go out on the 1st of every month, set the start date accordingly. Then set the due date. You can choose something like 7 days after the invoice date, 14 days, or whatever your payment terms are. Xero will automatically calculate the due date each time the invoice is generated. Now here is the crucial step that many people get wrong. Under the options for how the invoice should be created, you must select Approve for Sending. This is extremely important. If you choose Draft, Xero will create the invoice, but it will not automatically email it to your customer. If your goal is full automation, always choose Approve for Sending. After that, scroll down and fill in the contact field. Select the customer who should receive this recurring invoice. Then complete the line items just like you would with a normal invoice. Add the description of your service, the quantity if applicable, the price, and make sure the correct tax rate is applied. Double-check everything carefully. Confirm the pricing, dates, and email details are correct, because this will repeat automatically based on the schedule you set. Once everything looks good, click Save. That's it. Your repeating invoice is now active. Xero will automatically generate and send the invoice according to the schedule you configured. If you ever need to edit it, simply go back to Business, then Invoices, and look for the Repeating tab. From there, you can pause, edit, or delete any repeating invoice. Setting up automatic invoicing in Xero is one of the best ways to save time, reduce admin work, and improve cash flow consistency. Once it's running, you don't have to remember to manually create invoices each month. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Xero guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.